Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall SoFi app and revoke crypto permissions step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling the SoFi app, locate the application on your device. On Android, open the app drawer and find the SoFi app icon. Press and hold the SoFi app icon until a menu appears. Select the uninstall option from the menu. If prompted, confirm that you want to uninstall the app. For iOS, locate the SoFi app on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until it begins to shake. Tap the X icon that appears on the app to delete it. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Next, let's revoke crypto permissions linked to the SoFi app. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and find the section for apps or applications. Tap on it to see the list of installed applications. Locate the SoFi app from the list and select it. Once on the SoFi app page, look for Permissions or App Permissions. Tap on it to view the permissions granted to the app. Find the permission related to cryptocurrency access. Toggle off the permission to revoke access. Ensure that you check for any additional permissions that may need to be revoked. After completing these steps, the SoFi app will be uninstalled and permissions revoked. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.